Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are well. Today, our revision is about the second part of lesson element around us. We will speak about the economic importance of some metals and non-metals, or the uses of some metals and non-metals. Let's start about the economic importance of some metals and non-metals. We will speak about 5 elements. The first element is iron. Iron metal is used in making number one, it's used in making bridges, car chases. It's also used in making doors and street lamps or lamp posts. Why we use iron especially for making all this stuff? We use iron because iron is strong metal. Also, it can be bent, it's malleable, and can be hammered. So it's easily to be shaped. So we use it in making car chases or doors and so on. The second element is aluminum. Aluminum is used in making cooking pans. It's used also to make paper foils and door knobs. So aluminum is used in making cooking pans, foil papers, door knobs. Why we use aluminum especially for making cooking pans? Because aluminum is metal, which is from its property that it's a good conductor of heat. So we use it for making cooking pans and so on. Let's move to the third element, which is copper. Copper metal is used in making what? It's used in making copper wires or electric wires. It's also used in making stages. It's also used in making coins, metallic coins. So copper is used in making electric wire, status, and metallic coins. Why we use copper for making electric wires? Because copper is a metallic element, which is from its property that it's a good conductor of electricity. So we use it especially for making copper wires or electric wires. It also can be bent and hammered, so it's easily to be reshaped, and we use it for making statues and metallic coins. Element number 4 is gold and silver. Gold and silver are used in making jewelry. They are used in making jewelry. Element number 5 is carbon or graphite. Carbon or graphite is used in making positive electrode of battery or dry cell. So we use carbon specially to make positive electrode of dry cell. Despite of carbon is bad conduct is from non-metals, but it is the only non-metal which is a good conductor of electricity. Remember, we say this important information in the last video, that carbon is the only non-metal which is good conductor of electricity. All non-metals are bad conductor of electricity except carbon. So we use it to make electrodes of dry cell because it is the only non-metal which is good conductor of electricity. Let's solve some questions. Question number 1, put right or wrong. I'll give you about 5 seconds to think with me about the right answer. First, aluminum is used in making bridges and car chases. Aluminum is used in making bridges and car chases. The answer is wrong. Aluminum is not used in making car bridges and car chases. The element which is used for this is iron. Iron is used in making bridges and car chases, while aluminum is used in making cooking pans. It's used also to make paper foils and door knobs. So iron is used in making bridges and car chases. We will remove aluminum and put iron. Question number 2 says positive pole of dry cell is made of carbon. Positive pole of dry cell is made of carbon. The right answer is right. Number 3, copper is used in making electric wires. Copper is used in making electric wires. The answer is right. Question number 4, jewelry is made of silver and copper. Jewelry is made of silver and copper. The answer is wrong because we use jewelry, we make jewelry by silver and gold, and we use copper for making another things like electric wires and status, while gold and silver are used for making jewelry. So we will remove copper and put gold. The second question is give reason. Number 1, iron is used in making bridges and lampposts. Give reason. Why we use iron in making bridges and lampposts? Because iron is one of the metallic elements that can be bent and hammered. Because iron is a kind of metallic element that can be bent and hammered, so it's easily to be reshaped and make from it bridges, car chases, lampposts. So we use iron to make car chases, lampposts, bridges, because iron is one of the metals that can be bent and hammered. It's a kind of metallic element. Question number 2 is copper is used in making electric wire. Why we use copper in making electric wires? Because copper is good conductor of electricity. Copper is a metallic element, and from its property that it's a good conductor of electricity. So the answer, because copper is a metallic element, it's metal, it is not non-metal. So copper is metallic element that's a good conductor of electricity. This is the end of our revision. I hope you all get benefit from our revision. Thank you very much for hearing and watching me.